What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about yoga for stamina. Can you increase your stamina while practicing yoga? Is it a good idea if you are a beginner to practice yoga for more endurance, stamina, more energy? Is it very effective or not? Or should you keep weightlifting or doing any other aerobic exercise or cardiovascular exercises? Let's find out. Before we head on to the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We talk about yoga every day on this channel. I give out plenty of tips to make sure you practice yoga correctly and have a great practice overall. Also check out my new book, Yoga for a Faster Metabolism. The link will be in the description box below. You will find plenty of tips there, along with beginner poses to practice, to take your yoga practice to the next level. It's available for free right now, so make sure to download it and check it out, guys. Alright, yoga for stamina. Can you increase your stamina practicing yoga? Well, many think that yoga is gentle and just about stretching and relaxing, but that's not the case at all. Yoga is a very ancient and proven practice. It has physical, mental and spiritual benefits. It is a physical practice, but also can be used as a great workout and meditation. Many yoga exercises are very challenging and requires a lot of strength, flexibility and endurance to do. Yoga combines physical postures, but also breathing exercises and meditation together. If you're looking to boost your stamina and endurance, yoga is one of the best ways to do so. The best thing about it is you don't have to be fit or energy particularly strong or flexible to practice yoga. Regardless of your age, your fitness levels, your body shape, size, your abilities, you can start right away and see results. You can start with beginner poses in a gently and easy fashion, and you will definitely notice positive changes in yourself if you stick with it and practice correctly and regularly. Many yoga exercises, such as breathing exercises or physical postures, will improve your stamina and endurance. Some postures are a whole body workout in themselves. They will need to engage strong and large muscle groups to do properly. If you want to build your stamina and endurance, you should focus on practicing yoga posture that will engage a lot of muscles, increase your heart rate, and make you challenge yourself, but within your own limitations. So make sure while you practice the yoga exercises, especially if you're a beginner, that you do them by listening to your body closely, making sure that you feel no pain and that you only do what feels right for you. You can challenge yourself a little by little, and as you progress, increase difficulty. So start out slow and gentle, focus on learning the different exercises and practicing them correctly. You don't have to hold postures for a long period of time to see results, especially if you're starting out. You should just learn the proper alignment and do the pose correctly and hold them for a few seconds. And as you begin to master the different yoga poses, you can increase difficulty by trying to hold them longer. If you hold many difficult poses for a long period of time, for example a plank pose for several minutes, you can be sure that you will increase your stamina and endurance at the same time. Yoga can provide you a great workout and great physical exercise. Many different yoga types are out there. Some are very gentle and slow paced and can be used as a relaxing way to get rid of stress, anxiety and tension in your body. And other types of yoga are very vigorous, dynamic, intensive and can make your heart rate jump by quite a lot. So if you want to have a great workout, find some great exercises that will put your sweat on, then yoga might be a great way to do so. You will boost your stamina and endurance, increase your strength and flexibility in your whole body. It's very, very challenging practice. It's also a life-changing experience. You can notice that many yogis love practicing yoga because of the way it makes them feel. After a good yoga practice, you will feel revitalized, energized, rejuvenated. Because it makes you feel amazing, you will be more inclined to jump on your mat again and practice regularly. So make sure you find the right type of yoga for you. Start out with a gentle practice if you're new, and practice some amazing yoga exercises to boost your stamina and endurance. If you want to know more on how to boost your metabolism, increase your strength, flexibility and endurance, burn plenty of calories and get in great shape, you can find my new book. The link is in the description box below. You will find plenty of tips there on how to take your yoga practice to the next level. It's available for free right now, so make sure to check it out. So thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe to the channel. Tell us if this video was helpful to you. Share your experiences with yoga and your increase in stamina and endurance in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video.